this is my video for the climate change class, and what I decided after a lot of thought, I decided I would make it on um, the fact that we had to get a new furnace, and I'm sure it's more energy efficient. The last one was 27 years old, and it could have been actually dangerous to use. So what happened was we had a leak in a pipe that was in the basement and causing a lot of moisture, so we decided to replace that. And at the same time, the plumber talked me into getting a new furnace, which is pretty expensive, but you can get it in where I live. You can get a pretty easy payment plan, and I'm thinking that I will probably save a lot, or I was told I would save a lot on both my gas bill and my electric bill, because I'm going to have a new furnace and a new air conditioner. So here it is. This has been replaced. This is the brand new furnace from Goodman. Like I said, the last one we had was about the same size, really, but it was 27 years old. It's much more energy efficient, and we just used the same flow up there at the top. And it took 2 days to replace it all. And then we also have a fairly new water tank, which we got a year ago from a different plumber. Okay, then I'm going to take it outside to see the new air conditioner, which we definitely need in this townhouse in the summertime, so that's out here. Okay, it's almost sure you can see it. It's not gonna show up, but I have the light on and we're outside, but it's right here in the yard. And that's what I decided to do it on, because that's how I've been affected the most. In my country, I'm not really affected by anything else. We don't have any power outages. We rarely have power outages. Where I live, we basically really don't have any. And we may have some pollution, but so yeah, I really feel like where I live that the best thing to do is to upgrade and get more energy efficient appliances. Now the challenge is a lot of people around me need to get new appliances, and they are going to have to figure out how to do that. So I think there needs to be more information out there on trying to encourage people to get new appliances and to get a payment plan, and to help them to understand that it's going to be a lot cheaper in the end if they do this. So, or it's going to be a lot more economical, and they'll save on their gas and their electric bill if they go ahead and change out their appliances. So now I have a new furnace and a new air conditioner, and so far we've only been able to use the air conditioner because we are in the beginning of summer, since it's June, and it does work a lot more efficiently than the one that we used to have. So my thoughts were, as far as the government and the public, trying to figure out a way that we could educate people to consider changing their furnace and their air conditioner out. Some way to encourage that and spread the word that this is something that would be a good idea for air quality and for the planet as a whole. Another issue that I have is that at least 2 people that I talked to today kind of were negative about climate change. Like, oh, that's not really proven. And I think the problem is it is sort of an abstract concept. And it's not a cut and dried, clear thing. And so now that I've taken these classes, I'm really convinced that we do have a problem with climate change. But the people around me who aren't up on the latest news or anything, it's discouraging that they're like, oh, well, I don't even believe in climate change. So we need to figure out a way to combat that and educate people and figure out a way to make that all more successful. And Josh, would you tell her what I'm doing, please? Because I can't be interrupted. Okay, now. And Shelby, I'm right in the middle of it, okay? Let's go upstairs. Okay, so, and I can't edit this. I don't know how to edit a video or anything, so this is the way that it's, the quality that it's going to be with interruptions. And, so I just think that citizens need to be a lot more educated so they don't just say to each other, oh, well, what is climate change? And I don't believe in it. And the other thing is, citizens in my country need to be a lot more educated about and encouraged to change out their furnace and their air conditioner. And that's about all I have on the whole subject. And so I will just end it here. This is the first video I've ever made. And so I hope you like it. Thank you.